How can you access Google Docs from Gmail? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how you can access Google Docs from your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's open up the Gmail on your Google Chrome browser. After you do so, the page will load up, and finally when the home page of your Gmail opens up, you need to select the Google Apps icon, and then all of your Google applications will appear over here. Here you can select the option for Google Drive and then all of your Drive documents, and finally you will be able to view all of your files, folders, docs, etc. As you can see on the screen over here, you will be redirected to the page drive.google.com and into your Drive. And once in, you can see all of the options like your folders, spreadsheets. You can also see on the left hand side the home option, the My Drive option, the computers option, the shared with me option, the recent options, as well as shared options, as well as spam and bin folders as well. And there you go. That is how you can access Google Docs or Drive from your Gmail. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.